Welcome back. It's the grand finals of Schools Challenge Quiz 2005. And an adjustment to the scores. Calabar High on 24, Glenmuir High moves to 18, getting an additional point for the question, who is the permanent secretary in Jamaica's Ministry of Justice? And Carol Palmer is in fact correct. So at 24 and 18, we come to our final segment of our match this evening. Now in this section, questions are thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the signal buzzer earning the chance to answer after you've been identified. 2 points given for each correct answer, but 2 points will be taken away if the answer is incorrect. And the teams have been briefed, they've got all the rules, so we begin. We do so with Bible knowledge. What relation was Ruth to David? Glenmuir.
Great-grandmother.
Correct. Biology. Corticotrophin is a hormone secreted by the anterior part of which gland? Glenmuir.
Adrenal.
Incorrect. The pituitary. English language. Correct this sentence. The Evolution 7 is as fast, if not faster, than the Toyota Supra. The Evolution 7 is as fast as, if not faster than, the Toyota Supra. Local and international affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Calabar.
Mao Zedong.
Incorrect. Deng Xiaoping of China. French. What is the English equivalent for the question? C'est quand la boum? When is the party? General knowledge. In which Canadian province is the Pierre Laporte Bridge? Glenmuir.
Quebec.
Correct. Geography. Which group of volcanic islands is located in the Mozambique Channel between mainland Africa and Glenmuir?
Comoros.
Yes. Chemistry. What volume of hydrogen is needed to produce 20 centimeters cubed of ammonia at a fixed temperature and pressure? "30 centimeters cubed." Music. This is a visual question, so look at the clip and identify the singer. Glenmuir.
Bob Marley.
Incorrect. Jimi Hendrix. Mathematics. What is 3xy minus 6y all over x minus 2 in its simplest form? Calabar.
3Y.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. The term dinky mini originated from the Congolese ndingi. Glenmuir?
St. Mary.
No. What does ndingi mean? Lamentation or funeral song. Sports. A visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Calabar.
Len Johnson.
Incorrect. Kobe Miller. History. Which former Prime Minister of Jamaica was at age 21 the youngest elected representative in the Jamaican Parliament? Sir Donald Burns Sangster. Physics. A man of mass 70 kg runs up a staircase of height 6 meters. Taking g as 10 meters per second squared, how much work has been Glenmuir?
4,200 joules.
Correct. Literature. Who wrote the poem Goblin Market? Christina Rossetti. Spanish. Translate to English. El café me quita el sueño. Can we allow judges? Yes? The bell came first. I'm sorry. And that is, coffee prevents me from sleeping. Theatre and cinema. This is a visual question. Look at the monitor. Give the complete name of the movie which this poster advertises. Star Wars, Revenge of the Sith. Art. Which Jamaican artist did the work Girl Surprise? the match. Final scores. Calabar High on 22 and Glenmuir High on 20. Thank you. Congratulations to our champions, Calabar High School, and well tried to our runners-up, Glenmuir High.